Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to review an interesting app. Whether this is interesting or not, that's what we're gonna review together. I always review apps on my channel, and if you want to watch more interesting apps, do like our video and do subscribe for more videos. This is how our app is look like, and it has some ads. Just want to tell you in advance before starting. I don't want to be dishonest with you, being honest with every point, every step. So let it start and then we can review it further. So here you need to simply select language you want to learn. For example, English. You want to learn English language, simply click and try to continue it. Here you have a different type of levels. If you want to select beginner, intermediate, and let's try to select beginner and try to understand. Okay, not beginner. Let's try to continue with advanced version and try to continue to see how the app look like with advanced version for students who are learning, who know better English, they want to practice. Don't mind such ads. Whenever you have, just simply skip it. All right, and you have to select the reason. I've just selected and next. Whatever you want to do, just simply select it and then next. That's how our app exactly look like. You have a button, talk now. Okay, so it tells you to continue with payment. Do not do that at first. I will suggest you to use for free version to see if this app really interesting for you or not before doing any kind of other things. So you are going to simply select speaking button and, for example, booking a flight.
Hello, how can I help you today? Hello, how can I help you today?
You can try to click to speak. Allow your access to your mic while using.
Sure, when do you want to go?
Next Monday.
Morning or afternoon, dear?
Morning, please.
We have a flight at 9 a.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
One ticket, huh?
Yes, just one.
Window or aisle seat, please.
Window seat, please.
That's $150. How do you want to pay?
By credit card.
Here is your ticket. Have a great trip.
Thank you so much. Well, thank you very much. So this is how you need to do. This is very basic, and if you're interested in such kind of conversation, so then you can install this app. And this next lesson you have, if you have just done it, simply click on done and do another one. For example, food and dining.
Can I help you?
You can learn some phrases with this app, right? If you think this app is helpful, then keep doing practice with this kind of lessons. There are so many lessons, you can see it here. You have vocabulary button, right? For example, I want to learn here personal information vocabulary, name, age, address, phone number. There are so many vocabularies. If do you think they are basic, it's all right, go for other one. For example, weather and season. There are some other vocabularies. Let's try to click any one of them and try to listen pronunciation.
Weather. Weather.
Weather.
Sunny. Sunny.
Okay, that's how it looks like. It's a very basic version of this app. The really big problem that I'm seeing.
Hello, are you the new employee?
So you can practice as much as you can do probably in such way, the one I'm doing or one I have showed you.
Hi there, how do you feel today?
You can try to tap the mic and speak your answer. Hi there, how do you feel today? I'm feeling good. Thank you. How are you feeling? I'm good. Thank you. How do you feel? Thanks for asking. How do you feel? Nothing much. Just enjoying my day, and recording this app. Okay, so there is a one correction I can tell you. If you want to see your video will be moving, so that you need to purchase. That's what they are saying. But if you don't need it, you can simply listen it here.
Hi there, how do you feel today?
Okay, others are not working. This is one disadvantage of this app. They don't let you listen because they're asking for premium, but you can record your voice and you can still read it, right? Okay, this is some, you know, a small little part of practicing your English. If you're getting it for free, then it's great. So here you have a 30-minute left to practice every day, and 1 minute you talk, and other you need to continue. I think there is all in this app. You can see there is nothing much. I can see at the moment. My work is to show you some apps, and later I will tell you some of things about this app, whether it's a good or not. Since you have been seeing this app, if you have been watching till now, so I will suggest you to only install this app if you think this app is right choice for you, because if it is suitable for you. It's not like that you can't learn it. Maybe you can learn it very basic part. If someone they don't have anything to practice, then they can still do some sort of practice with this app. So this is very basic version. I think this app, in my opinion, it suits for beginners rather than advanced or intermediate learners. This is what one thing I want to tell you about this app too. So some advantages and disadvantages, you have already seen it. They are not allowing you to speak like other apps to learn, or Laura. They can allow some video movement, and they don't have after one or two phrase. When you click talk now, they ask you to pay. So it means they are not allowing you to do as a free means with live video, such as other apps has, right? So that's another disadvantage. And advantage is to practice some topics that you have. How do you
Hello,
practice?
can I help you?
You can practice like that. Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt, but that's not recording, right? You need to simply click.
What size do you need?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt, but okay, that's not recording. Okay, this is recording. That's my bad. I have been not reviewing it correct. So in this way, this is good. You can practice this way. For example,
What size do you need?
medium, please.
What color do you want?
So it's very good option. Medium, please. It means it is recording it, right? And later you can listen it. And I think I was misunderstanding. So I think this is pretty good option for you if you want to practice this way. That's it. That's it about this app. You can practice 30 minutes and a day according to this app interface. We can see it. And here you have simply setting. You can get to premium languages changes if you want to learn another language. For example, switch to Spanish. And let me show you.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Okay, Spanish is not showing here. But at the end of the day, if you want to choose it, you start from beginning. Thank you for watching this video.